how to make brochure using Brochure Maker on Picsart. So if you want to make a brochure using Brochure Maker on Picsart, all you have to do is first of all make sure to launch Picsart, and this is the type of interface you will see. Then what you want to do is from the bottom you can see the plus icon. Simply tap the plus icon there. Once you've done that, at the top right hand side you can see templates. Tap on templates. You can use the search bar at the very top right hand side to search for a template and just type in brochure. So once you've done that, you will see different type of templates for brochure right here. Now depending upon whether it is free or paid, you'll find them right over here. So you can simply choose a free version of a brochure that you're trying to make, and once you've done that, you'll be able to cancel and view that particular template and customize it based on your need. Now I have a free Picsart account, that is why I'm dealing with these ads that you can see here. So let me just remove this ad. So after that I can customize the brochure based on my need. I can also come back in the search all templates section. I can simply search for a brochure, and once I've done that I can simply customize them based on my need. That's all it takes for you to make brochure using Brochure Maker on Picsart. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.